Hello everyone and welcome to PA Academy. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw a 8-pointed star. So this is actually method 1. There are two approaches to go about it. So in this part 1 I'm going to be showing you the method 1, while in the next part you are going to be looking at method 2. So now for you to draw a 8-pointed star, one thing you are going to need to draw first is your octagon. That's a polygon with 8 sides, a regular octagon. And if you look closely on your screen, you see that you already have my octagon drawn. And if you don't know how to draw an octagon, just check the description of this video. I'll leave a link to a video showing you how to draw a regular octagon. There are different ways to draw a regular octagon. So just check the description, you'll find a video showing you that. So now once you have your octagon, also note that you should also draw it with a faint line. Just make sure you draw it with a very thin line. That's a thin line. So because what we actually need from the octagon are the vertices. So that is all those points. These points I'm going to be noting. These are the vertices. So let me call this A, B, and then this is C, D, E, F, G, and then H. So you can see. So let me just do a freehand sketch. So if you have your octagon like this, so this is just a freehand sketch. So all those points here are the ones I've just labeled. So all those points, they represent what? The vertices. So those are the ones I've just labeled A to H. So that's why I said when you are drawing your octagon, make sure you draw it with a faint line, because these are the things that we just need, the vertices. So all this. So now that you've gotten your vertices, now let's go ahead to draw the lines that will give us our 8-pointed star. So before we start drawing the lines, please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, PA Academy, consider clicking on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free to subscribe. So just please subscribe to our channel. It helps our channel to grow. And you can also click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that we get notified when next we release any video. Alright, so thank you very much if you have just done that. So now I'm going to be starting from point A to start drawing our lines that will give us our 8-pointed star. You can start from any points, you can start from any of them, but I'll be starting from point A. So in doing that, what we are going to do now is from point A, we are going to be drawing a line to point C. And why point C? That means from point A, we are going to be skipping one vertex and then drawing a line to the other vertex. So this is what I mean. So from point A, we are going to draw a line now with a bold line. That's an outline. A thick line, a bold line, outline, like we are having here. So you can see from point A straight to point C, skipping that of B. So the same thing we are going to do from point C, we are going to skip D and draw it to point E. So you skip one and then you draw it to the next. Same thing from point E, we are going to draw a line skipping one vertex, which is F, draw it to G. And then from G, we are going to skip H and draw it to A. So now this is giving us something like a square, but that's not the end. So now if you are continuing that order, it's going to take us back to C, and then so instead of that, then we start again from point B. So that we take it from point B. So from point B, we are going to skip vertex C and draw a line to D. So from point B, that's vertex B to vertex D. Same thing from D, we are going to skip E and draw it to F. So we're going to be having something like this. And then from F, we are going to be skipping G. That means from F, you skip one, you go to the next one. So if you are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Click on that thumbs up button. So now for the last one, where do you think you are drawing into? If you should skip one, from H, if you were to skip one, and then we go to the next one, that is what? That is B. So if your guess is right, then you are correct. So with this now, we already have our 8-pointed star. So this is the first method to go about it. And then in the next part of this video, which is going to be coming up immediately after this video, so do make sure you watch this video to the end. It will soon be over. So the next part, I'm going to be showing you another approach to draw 8-pointed star. So that video will be coming up immediately after this. So if you have any question with regards to this video, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you find value, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to this channel. So with that, I'll see you all in the part 2 of this video. Thank you.